Here are the most popular haircuts of 2025. A tapered side, some volume on top, a very lived-in, natural type of look. The best product for this are, I would say, 25 spray, because 25 spray is like a multivitamin for your hair. Sprayed in first thing, and then Tidal wave, which is going to give you and help you enhance that texture, enhance those waves. It's ideal. Next, once again, a more lived-in, slick back, off-the-face look. Something that's not perfect. Depending on how short you want to go on the sides, it's up to you. The next one, once again, everything for 2025 so far that I think is trending is a lot of volume, the hair kind of off the face, somewhat textured and disheveled. Here's another example of a similar type of look, but this one is a lot more polished. The hair is very, very long, probably to the bridge or the tip of the nose. Another example, so we're seeing a lot of length on top. We're seeing a variation on length throughout the sides, something that's kind of a classic type of slick back almost. A more natural side parting. Once again, the side part comes in handy, the length on top. It's not short crops, skin fades. It's something that looks like it's supposed to look. Very, very natural. Any face shape can wear these, whether you have an oval face shape, a round face shape, square face shape. The side parting can help. The structure styler, the hottest product right now in my lineup. People are talking about it. It's must needed for these styles. All right, women's hair, the Italian bob. That's all I'm seeing all over social media. It's basically a one-length bob with a fringe. Okay, so if you have straight hair, if you have wavy hair, if you have curly hair, you can blow dry it straight. You can smooth it out. I have hair tools. I've got my blow dryer. I have my ionic and ceramic round brushes. But really, it's a chin length bob with very, very soft layering. You can either have a full fringe across the forehead or something like this where it's a bit more of a sweeping type of fringe. It seems to be one of the most popular looks right now. So it's the Italian bob. If it's something that you're interested in having, you can show pictures of this to your stylist and just say, hey, I see the Italian bob is trending. It's kind of like a one-length bob with a light fringe. Very good for slimming the face. If you have a more rounded, fuller face, cheekbones, you want to kind of hide them and camouflage them, this is really, really, really ideal for that. Also, once again, when it comes to products, you need to use the right products. I would suggest my Sleek Serum if you want that polished look. It smells phenomenal. It's going to give you that nice, sleek look. You need barely a pump, and I think that's going to help you achieve these looks. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase any of my products, you can use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com.